Ever wondered if the seemingly simple act of securing your precious crypto requires you to jump through hoops of identity verification? You're not alone. In a world where privacy is increasingly valued, the question of Know Your Customer, or KYC, procedures for cryptocurrency hardware wallets is a significant one. And today, we're diving deep into the specifics of the Tangem wallet. Think about it. You've invested in digital assets, seeking a degree of autonomy and control that traditional finance might not always offer. The idea of a hardware wallet, a physical device safeguarding your private keys offline, feels like the ultimate step towards that self-sovereignty. But then the question arises, does this secure haven come with strings attached, specifically the need to identify yourself to the company that provides it? The appeal of hardware wallets lies in their ability to keep your private keys away from internet-connected devices, drastically reducing the risk of online attacks. Tangem, with its sleek, card-like design and emphasis on simplicity and security, has garnered attention as a user-friendly option for both crypto novices and experienced holders. Its tap-to-interact functionality and focus on key generation directly on the device contribute to its secure reputation. But let's get straight to the heart of the matter. Does using a Tangem wallet necessitate going through a KYC process? The short and direct answer, as of my last update, is no. Tangem wallet operates on the principle of self-custody. When you initialize your Tangem wallet, the private keys are generated directly on the secure element within the card itself. This process is entirely offline and doesn't involve Tangem servers or any third-party entities. You, and only you, have control over these keys. Because Tangem doesn't hold your keys and doesn't interact with your transactions in a custodial manner, they don't have a need to collect your personal information for KYC purposes. The wallet functions as a tool, a secure vault for your digital assets, but Tangem as a company doesn't act as a financial intermediary in the traditional sense that would legally require KYC. This is a significant advantage for users who prioritize privacy and wish to avoid sharing personal details when setting up their crypto storage. The focus remains on the security and functionality of the hardware itself, empowering individuals to manage their digital wealth without the mandatory disclosure often associated with exchanges or custodial services. However, it's crucial to understand the distinction here. While Tangem itself doesn't require KYC for the use of its wallet, your interactions with the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem might. For instance, if you purchase cryptocurrencies on an exchange, that exchange will almost certainly have KYC requirements. Similarly, if you choose to use decentralized applications, dApps, that integrate with your Tangem wallet, those platforms might have their own compliance procedures. Therefore, while the Tangem wallet itself acts as a KYC-free zone for securing your existing crypto holdings, the journey of acquiring or utilizing those holdings might involve KYC processes on other platforms. Think of Tangem as the secure lockbox. It doesn't ask for your ID to store your valuables, but the bank where you initially got those valuables might have. In essence, Tangem focuses on providing a secure and private means of self-custody. The beauty of a non-custodial wallet like Tangem is that you retain full control without the need to identify yourself to the wallet provider. This aligns with the core principles of decentralization and individual sovereignty that resonate with many in the cryptocurrency space. So, if your primary concern is securing your crypto without directly sharing your identity with your wallet provider, Tangem offers a compelling solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.